Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on the Inclusion-Exclusion Principle, lecture number 4, in which I will give some applications of on-to function. Now we solve problem number 1. Problem is, in how many ways 6 different jobs can be assigned to 5 different persons if each person is assigned at least one job. Now we solve this. Let J be the set of jobs. Here number of jobs be 6. J1, J2, J3, J4, J5, J6. And P be the set of persons. Here we have 5 persons. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Given that no job should be left as unengaged, means each job is engaged by a person. More than one job may be engaged by a person. So, for no job should be left as unengaged, that means each job must be member of domain, because by the definition of function, each element of domain corresponds to a unique element of codomain, and hence the set J may be considered as domain and P as codomain. P be the set of persons. Again, given that each person is assigned at least one job, each person is assigned at least one job means each PI has a pre-image. That means this function Fi defined on set J to set P is an onto function. Now we have to find the number of onto functions. Since here number of elements in P be 5, that is M equal to 5, and number of elements in J equal to N equal to 6. So by the formula of number of onto functions, we get M to the power N minus under bracket MC1 M minus 1 to the power N minus MC2 M minus 2 to the power N plus dot 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 minus 1 to the power M minus 1 MC M minus 1. Here putting value of M is 5 and value of N is 6, we get here 5 to the power 6 minus 5C1 multiply 5 minus 1 to the power 6 minus 5C2 5 minus 2 to the power 6 plus 5C3 5 minus 3 to the power 6 minus 5C4 5 minus 4 to the power 6, and last is plus 5C5 5 minus 5 to the power 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. So we do not write the last term. And value of this is 1800. So number of ways to distribute the 6 different jobs to 5 different persons under the condition that each person is assigned at least one job will be 1800. So our problem is solved. Now we solve problem number 2. At McDonald's restaurants, a Happy Meal box contains one of 4 gifts. if you buy 5 meal boxes, what is the probability that you will receive every one of the 4 gifts? Now we solve this. Let M be the set of meal boxes. Number of meal boxes be 5. They are M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. G, capital G be the set of gifts. Different gifts are G1, G2, G3, G4. 4 gifts. Given that when a meal box is purchased, 1 gift is received. The task is that by purchasing 5 meal boxes, 4 different gifts must be received. In 1 meal box, you may get 1 gift. Number of different gifts be 4. If you buy 1 meal box, let you get gift number 1. Again, you purchase second meal box, it may be possible that you may get gift number 1. In third meal box, it may be possible that you will receive the gift number 1. So, for 3 meal boxes, we have received gift number 1, and other 2 remaining meal boxes, if we get 2 different kinds of gifts, then we get 3 kinds of gifts, because first 3 meal boxes we get same kind of gift, 1 kind of gift, and for remaining 2 boxes we get 2 different kinds of gifts, means 3 kinds of gifts. But question is that we have to receive 4 different kinds of gifts by purchasing 5 meal boxes. So, by purchasing 5 different meal boxes, we get 4 different type of gifts along with 1 more gift that may be repeated. So, we consider the set G, set of gifts, as codomain, and then M will be domain, and for each member of codomain there must be a pre-image. That is, if I be a function defined on set M to G, and this function is onto function. So, we have to find number of onto functions so that we will get 4 different gifts by purchasing 5 meal boxes. So, number of onto functions will be 4 to the power 5. Here 4 means number of elements in codomain, and 5 be the number of elements in domain. And this is equal to 4 to the power 5 minus 4C1, 4 minus 1 to the power 5 minus 4C2, 4 minus 2 to the power 5 plus 4C3, 4 minus 3 to the power 5. Value of 4 to the power 5 is 1024. And here we write 4 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 2, 2, and 4 minus 3, 1, 4C3 equal to 4, 4C2 equal to 6, 4C1 equal to 4. And we get the result 240. So, number of onto functions be 240. Onto functions means for each element of codomain we get pre-image. That means we get 4 different gifts. Now, probability of collecting all four gifts will be equal to number of onto functions divided by number of total functions. Number of total functions equal to 4 to the power 5, and this is equal to 240 by 1024. This is equal to 0.234 approximately. This is the probability. So our problem is solved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.